Good afternoon. Shudesh please approve. Anyone please write a comment whether I'm visible. Okay. Okay. Today I will speak about our international conference that Calcutta Business School is going to launch from July 28th to 25th. We are very unfortunate that we are unable to make this a physical conference, but MARSOC will be done in the virtual mode through Zoom platform. Today, basically, I am here for the participants because participants who have already sent their paper through EasyChair have many questions to ask. So for them today, thank you, Sandeep. Thank you for approving that. I can see. What I was discussing, this conference, MARSOC 2020, is focused on the theme marketing and society. So there it will continue from 20th to 25th of July. From 20, the schedule will be given at the MARSOC website, which you will find at Calcutta Business School homepage. Calcutta Business School homepage, you can go and there you will see a mini tab where MARSOC 2020 is written. Please click on the tab and go to the land up to the MARSOC website, and you will find all the details about the MARSOC online digital conference is given there. So I just want to say, if the participants are here, as I have already shared the link for this Facebook Live, if you want to ask any questions right at this moment, you can do. See, time is is a constraint now. Already today it is 8th of July. Please uh, please make the registration done by 10th of this month, because as I have repeatedly told you, until and unless you complete the registration process, I will not be able to make the schedule, and those who have done the registration, not got the receipt, please wait. I have sent you a mail today. Please wait. By tomorrow, I will send you all the receipt. Those who have not done it, please do it. Those who have not submitted the plagiarism report, please submit the plagiarism report, because without plagiarism report and without the full paper, I'll not be able to consider it. Okay. Anyone can participate. Let me tell those who have not given the paper for them. Let me tell them that anyone can participate to MARSOC 2020 conference. This is done with the aim to connect academia with industry. There are very renowned professor from the renowned institutes of our country, from various parts of the country, like IIMs, IITs. Professors will be there who will be speaking on the very relevant and pertinent topic related to marketing in this conference. And there will be webinar on 25th of July. The topic will be issues and challenges of business post COVID-19. So this is the first webinar, and second webinar will talk about the skill development requirement after this after the COVID. In this present situation, what kind of a skills they are looking at from the young generation, and those who are going to join as to different industries, different places. So what is the current situation? So based on those things, there will be webinar on 25th, that will start from 2 o'clock to I'm sorry, 2:30 to 4:30. As I have already told you, and you will find it in the MARSOC website, that there are three journals, Scopus Index journals, who are listed with us. Our paper will be published in those journals, but you have to extend the version that you are submitting in MARSOC 2020. Since I am very late in doing this Facebook Live, I will not be able to accept many more papers right at this moment. But till 13th of this month, I have kept it open. If anyone have a ready paper with you, please, with the plagiarism report, of that manuscript, if you submit and make the registration by 10th of this month, I will try to accept your paper. I have put here my mail, my mobile number. So if anyone have any confusion, you can please call me. You can ask me the possibilities of paper presentation and submission. I will let you know, guide you accordingly. Okay. So if anyone have any question, if the participants, you are here, anyone, you can please ask me what you wanted to want right at this moment to know about MARSOC 2020. So MARSOC 2020, if I can show you, this is the call for paper of MARSOC 2020. Is it visible? This is the call for paper. In the Facebook page also, you will see the same kind of a structure, where why we are doing this conference is written, and you can see the various tracks on which the paper can be presented are written over here. This is an interconnection between academia and industry. First 4 days, the academic representatives will be uh, speaking on the relevant topic, and after that, on 25th, there will be webinar where industry participants, people, representatives from various renowned companies who are representing different industries, will be participating in that webinar, and they will speak on the relevant topic that I have already discussed with you. So I request you all to be present with us to join MARSOC 2020 paper presentation. Since it is on the virtual mode, we have reduced it to rupees 500 only, but for participation there is no charge. So to get valuable insights, I would request you all to please come and join. And one more information, after 15th of July, I will be able to send you the link for getting the link for joining. The joining link I will be sending you after 15th of July for MARSOC 2020. The MARSOC 2020 mail ID, MARSOC, the Easy Chair ID, and all the other details about MARSOC 2020 is given there at MARSOC website. Once again, MARSOC website, you will get it if you log into Calcutta Business School website. There is a small tab, MARSOC 2020. Click it there, get into MARSOC 2020 website. All the details about the conference is given there. So yes, Shaun, yes ma'am, I have submitted my paper plagiarism report, and also registration is complete. I received the and yes, Shaun, thank you so much. Yes, I have seen that you have submitted the plagiarism report. So your process is complete. So today I have mailed you also those who have not completed their this full process, and what do I mean by process? I have mentioned that as well. So those who have not completed, please complete it. Please help me to prepare your schedule beforehand, because until and unless you can understand, if you do not do complete the process, I will not be able to consider your paper, and until and unless I'll not be able to consider the paper, and I cannot make the schedule, because I have to take this is since this is an online mode. I am buying time from our renowned speakers, delegates who are available with us, right? So based on the number of papers only, I will be able to take time from them. Okay, so that is why I request you to please complete the paper before time. Otherwise, unfortunately, I'll not be able to take it, consider it. Okay, so please stay with us, stay tuned from 20th July to 25th July to get the valuable insights. Okay, Shaun, I can find only you there. So if you have any question, you can ask me. Do you have any other query about MARSOC 2020? Um, I will be sending you the presentation link after 15th, after 15th of July. Okay. Uh, Anyone, any more questions? Any more questions? Since I am very late and already I have spread about MARSOC 2020 information to various places, as of now, I know that you all have come to know about MARSOC 2020 conference. But if till date you have anything, any query, any question, you can ask me right at this moment. So. If you do not have anything more to ask, so I'll stop it here itself. See you on 20th, presenting your paper. Yes, Shayad, when will we get the schedule? Yes, Shayad, that is what I was telling all this time. I will be giving you the schedule as soon as possible. I'm trying, but until and unless all the registration is complete, I am unable to capture the number of papers that will be presented, right? So that is why I cannot make the schedule till date. I will make it after 10th. After 10th, that is why 10th is the cutoff date that I have kept. I will not be able to consider any paper after 10th. So 10th, after 10th, I will prepare the schedule and I will send you the schedule before 15th. I will send you, Shaun. Shayad, I'll send you it. Yes, ma'am. Regarding certificates, should we get the hard copy of the certificate? Dear, I will be sending you the e-certificate, because right at this moment, as you know, due to the DTDC and all other problems, lockdown is again started. So maybe it will not be able to reach you. So better I will send you e-certificates. Okay. Or should we receive online? Yes, online certificate you will of course receive, but after the conference, because it will continue till 25th. So suppose you have presented on 20th, please give me time till 30th. By 1st or 2nd of August, all the certificates I will send you. I'll try to send you beforehand only, but if not possible, I will send you when we get our fee receipt. Shayad, I have not sent you the fee receipt yet, right? Okay, you will get it by tomorrow. I today by the end of the day today also I can send you, or I'll send you by tomorrow positively. Don't worry. Yes, Shaun. So you will be getting it. So, ma'am, do we able to publish with the journal mentioned in your program schedule? Yes, you will be able to, but you have to extend it. Extend it after we will be giving you 2 months time to extend that. Okay. After 2 months, you take your time, and then I will guide you how to submit it to the journals. Okay. So any questions regarding the publication that we can solve after the conference. Okay, so you will be able to publish, but you have to extend the paper, and you have to design the paper according to the format of the journal. You need to check the papers that are published in the journal and get their formats, and then you can do it. When will the committee consider our for papers for publication? uh, uh, it will be, I will inform you after the conference. After the conference I will inform you. Don't worry about that. After the conference, Shayad, I will inform everything. I am there. I'm not going anywhere. So you have my phone number, my mail ID. After the conference, please you call me. You have my WhatsApp number as well. We often speak. So don't worry. I will inform you. I will guide you regarding that. Shahid, is it okay? Shaun, any more questions? So I'm just I'll end it now. In how many days, ma'am? In how many days? By 10 days, at least by 10 to 15 days time will take, and then I will let you know that whether it is accepted for publication or not. Okay. So don't worry. Shahid is very much worried. Every time he used to, and within how many days will we get conference book of abstract? That also you will get by 10th of, latest by 10th of August. Latest. I will try to make it before only, latest by 10th of August. Okay. So I'll end the live video now. Any other questions, Shahid, please get back to my mobile number, WhatsApp number. Contact me and I'll let you know. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.